Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fit and healthy at your homes. Students, yesterday we have started our new chapter, that is lesson number 5. So today we are going to continue our next topic, that is changing color scheme. Means if you have created your slides, then how you can change the color of your slides according to your requirement. So every presentation comes with color schemes. You can change the color of scheme of the complete presentation on a single slide. The colors of a specific elements on a slide such as title and the background can also be changed. Yes, you can change this single slide color also, and you can change the full slide color also. So you can, with that you can also change the color of your title and your background also. So how to change the color? Firstly, you have to open any slide of a presentation, then click on the design tab. You will find a gallery of different themes in the themes group. Preview the effect of any theme before selecting it for your slide by hovering the mouse over it. Yes, firstly you have to open your slide whose color you want to change. Then you have to click on the design tab. Yes, upside so many tabs are available. You have to choose design tab, and after that you will find different types of themes. Yes, and from that themes you have to select any one theme for your slides. So next, right click on the selected theme. A shortcut menu appears. Select the set as default theme option. The theme will be applied to all the slides. After that आपने क्या करना है, आपने जो एक थीम जो सिलेक्ट किया उसके ऊपर आपने क्या करना है, राइट क्लिक, एंड आफ्टर दैट वन शॉर्टकट मेन्यू विल अपीयर, एंड फ्रॉम देयर यू हैव टू चूज द सेट एज डिफॉल्ट थीम ऑप्शन. So next, click on the colors button and select the desired color scheme from the drop down list. Yes, and after that there is option colors. You have to choose this colors option. So next, to apply the color scheme to all the slides, right click on the color scheme and select the apply to all slide option. अगर आपने सेम वही थीम सभी स्लाइड्स के ऊपर अप्लाई करना है, then you have to choose apply to all slides option. And if you want to apply that color scheme only to the selected slide, only to the one or two slides, then you have to choose apply to selected slides option. Yes. So next topic is now changing background color. यस, हमने जो अपनी स्लाइड बनाई है उसका बैकग्राउंड, उसके जो पीछे वाला कलर है, हम वो कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो यू कैन चेंज द बैकग्राउंड कलर, पैटर्न एंड टेक्सचर ऑफ अ स्लाइड. टू चेंज द बैकग्राउंड कलर वी हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द बैकग्राउंड स्टाइल बटन present in the background group on the design tab. Yes, the same tab we have to choose design tab, and in under the design tab in the background group we have to choose background style button. As you move the mouse over a background style, it is reflected on the slide. After that, so many background styles will open, and we have to place our mouse pointer on the selected background style, and that background will be affected. So next is click on the format background option of the background style button. The format background dialog box will appear. अगर हमने उस background को format करना है, yes, अपने requirement के according हमने change करना है, then we have to choose format background option. Yes, and whenever we will choose this format background option, this one dialog box will open. Yes, format background. So from this dialog box we can choose any type of a fill option. Yes, we want to fill solid fill, gradient fill, picture fill or pattern fill. Any fill option we can choose, and after that we can choose the color also. Yes, filling color also we can choose, and then we have to choose the apply to all slide option. Yes, so next, according to our requirement we can also make colors. yes, कलर्स हम अपने अकॉर्डिंग भी चूज़ कर सकते हैं और खुद मेक भी कर सकते हैं, एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव टू चूज़ दिस कस्टम ऑप्शन. yes, this custom tab we have to choose. So many colors it will open. According to our requirement we can choose any. Yes, so after that we have to click on the apply to all option, so the selected color will be applied to our slides. So at last we have to click on the close button to close the dialog box. So next is inserting various objects in a slide. Yes, how we can insert different types of things or objects in a slide. Yes, so inserting text box. how we can insert text box. Text box basically हम use करते हैं कोई भी टेक्स्ट को एंटर करने के लिए, कुछ राइट करने के लिए. Yes, so how we can insert this text box? We have to click on the insert tab, and inside the insert tab there is option text box. Yes, so next is how to you can move the text box along with its content anywhere on the slide. Yes, हम उस text box को जो अभी हमने insert किया उसको हम move भी कर सकते हैं any location पे, slide पे. So click on the new slide button in the slide groups on the home tab. Enter the title activities of this month. Yes, click on the click to add subtitle placeholder in a slide. Type judo championship, cricket match, volleyball, chess as shown in the figure 5.10. Yes, according to your requirement you can enter any type of text. So after this we have to select the text box tool to insert text box in the text group from the home tab. Hold down the left mouse button while dragging the mouse diagonally towards the right and release the mouse button. After clicking on this text group, after clicking on this insert tab and after the text group, and inside the text group there is option text tool, and after clicking on this text tool option, one box it will appear. It will gives to us. Yes, according to our requirement we can move our selected text box. So you will get a rectangular box with the cursor inside it. Enter the text January. Yes, after clicking on this text books tool हमें क्या मिलेगा, एक text box मिलेगा, वहाँ पे हम अपने according enter कर सकते हैं text. Yes, वो जो हमारा text box है वो किस form में होगा, in the form of rectangular box. So next is how to insert word art. Yes, how to insert word art. Word art means जो हमने टेक्स्ट इंसर्ट किया है उसके ऊपर हमने आर्ट परफॉर्म करना है. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड वर्ड आर्ट. सो द वर्ड आर्ट फीचर हेल्प यू टू क्रिएट स्पेशल टेक्स्ट इफेक्ट्स. येस, विद द हेल्प ऑफ वर्ड आर्ट वी कैन क्रिएट स्पेशल टेक्स्ट इफेक्ट्स. टेक्स्ट के ऊपर हम इफेक्ट्स लगा सकते हैं. इट गिव्स अ यूनिक लुक टू द टेक्स्ट. Using the word art you can make the text curved, wavy, shadowed, apply 3D effects, etc. So how to insert word art? We have to click on the insert tab, and inside the text group there is option word art. Yes, this one, word art, slanting A is there. We have to choose this option. So the drop down menu of the word art gallery open up on the screen as shown in the figure 5.11 and select any word art style. Whenever we will click on this word art option, so many word art options it will appear to us. Yes, any style we can choose, any word style we can choose according to our requirement. And after that replace text with your own text and type KIPS presentation in the placeholder and select this text. Yes, after that हमने क्या करना है, KIPS presentation हमने एक text insert करना है, simply हमने write करना है, and then we have to click on the text fill drop down arrow on the format tab in the word art styles. Yes, inside the format tab there is option text fill. जो हमने अभी स्टाइल चूज किया है उसके उस टेक्स्ट में हमने कौन सा कलर हमने फिल करना है. येस, दैट वी कैन चूज बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दिस टेक्स्ट फिल ऑप्शन. सो आफ्टर दिस वी हैव टेक्स्ट आउटलाइन. मीन्स जो हमने अभी वर्ड आर्ट इंसर्ट किया उसकी जो आउटलाइन कलर है वो हम क्या देना चाहते हैं, दैट वी कैन give with the help of this text outline option, and after that we can choose any color for our outline of the text. Next we have text effects. Means which type of effects we can give. We can give shadow effects to our slide, reflection, glow. Yes, so many effects are available. 3D rotation we can give. Yes, and we can choose any effect from here. Yes, and after that we will see the result. So next we have topic inserting clip art. Yes, what is clip art? The clip art feature is used to add pictures to the slides to enhance its appearance and make it more informative. Yes, clip art एक feature है जिसकी help से आप add कर सकते हो pictures to the slides. Yes, already जो बनी हुई pictures है that we can use or we can insert in our slides. Yes, so place the cursor where you want to insert the picture. So firstly we have to place our mouse pointer or cursor on the specific place where we want to insert any type of picture or clip art. So how to insert clip art? Firstly we have to select the insert tab. Yes, and inside the insert tab there is option clip art. Yes, in the images group we have to choose this clip art option, and this is the icon of clip art. So the clip art task pane is displayed on the right side of the window. Whenever we will click on this clip art option, yes, right side we will get one task pane. From here we have to write the name of the thing or picture that we want to search in the search for box. Yes, here they are searching computer pictures, and after that we have to click on this go option. And whenever we will click on this go option, it will open images related to the computer world. Yes, and any picture we can choose from here. And picture that we want to choose, we have to simply double click on the picture, or we can also drag and drop the picture. Yes, सिंपली हम डबल क्लिक करेंगे तो भी पिक्चर इंसर्ट हो जाएगी, एंड आफ्टर इफ वी डोंट वांट टू डबल क्लिक देन वी कैन सिंपली ड्रैग दिस पिक्चर ऑन द स्क्रीन, यस, ऑन द स्लाइड. सो नेक्स्ट इज हाउ टू इंसर्ट शेप. यस, स्पेसिफिक शेप हम कैसे इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो फॉर दिस देयर इज ऑप्शन शेप्स. यस, option is there shapes, and whenever we will click on this shape option, so many shapes it will open. Yes, any shape we can choose according to our requirement. Yes, and whenever we will choose any shape, here they are drawing this smile face. Yes, and any picture according to our requirement we can choose and we can draw. Yes, and after selecting the picture you will see your pointer will change into the plus sign. Yes, जो आपका माउस पॉइंटर इस शेप में होता है वो क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस साइन में चेंज हो जाएगा. Yes, so this mouse pointer, this sign you can use to draw your picture. Yes, so this is enough for today students. Rest of the topics we will discuss in the next week. So take care students, have a nice day.